you own an Aventador SVJ and you're not absolutely obnoxious, shooting flames, 12-foot flames, being crazy on the road, do you really even deserve to own an SVJ? And that's what we're doing today. We're here at 961 with Stage 4 Tuning, with Mullah Man himself, and we're gonna make this thing go absolutely nuts. It's gonna take a couple days. We're doing a full map switch. It's gonna shoot 12-foot. I guess on the dyno. Oh my God, dude, it's time, bro. It is time. Let's go see this thing.
We've got, right now we're in slot 2, which is for 91 octane.
Yep.
Tap the brake. Now, engine light blinks twice.
Yep.
This is slot 4, so this is flames.
Yep.
We've got 1, which is completely stock.
Yep.
2, which is the stock crackle function, but enhanced.
Yep.
3, which is a ginormous gunshot on every upshift.
Yep.
You know, like it does a wide open throttle?
Yep.
But it's consistent, so if you want to do it part throttle, it'll give you that giant snap.
Gotcha.
And then 4 is the hanging flame.
We love the hanging flame. Essentially, it's the exact same mapping as the GT3RS.
The structure of the menu is the same. Obviously, the maps are different because this is a Lambo and it's Porsche.
But one is stock. That's what I need to know. 1-1.
Yes, 1-1 is stock.
1-4 is loud.
Yes, or 2-4 loud.
Let's show us the flame show. No one does it like Stage 4, bro. No one does it.
Inside, outside, what's more impressive?
Outside.
Outside?
Outside, yeah.
So, now, we're gonna pull it off. And get gas. And go fuck around and try not to get arrested.
We're not gonna get arrested. And he's not gonna blow up my Porsche either, right?
Porsche doesn't blow up. Also, knock on the wood. All the wood.
Just so you guys know, to have the first map switched SVJ in the galaxy, in the world, in this universe, it takes an hour. So what that means is he has to take the ECU out, put it on the computer, the files are in the computer, write the new code or whatever. I'm not a tuner, so don't just judge me, I don't care. Put the new code in, go drive the car, and if it's not to his liking, he has to take the ECU back out, re-put it on the computer, put the new code, and wait an hour again. So he's been going day and night, 12, 13, 14 hours a day for over a week to get this car done. And it's clean too. I showed up today to see and it was dirty and they cleaned it up. So that's really nice of them. Man versus car, he beat it.
No, I'm telling you, it's one of those projects that is rewarding because You know, like you've been in it for so long, so long.
I came by one day and he was speaking Italian. I'm like, Spencer, slap out of it. Get out of there. They put like 300 miles in my car. I was trying to get it perfect. And these things are appreciating. He doesn't care. He's gonna hand me a check for the 20K he just cost me.
Do not crash my car right now, bro. We worked too hard and too long for this.
That is a man right there, dude.
Woo!
He got the dyno, he wants to make sure there's no codes, and then we're gonna go get some awesome footage of what this thing can do on the road, baby. Let's go.
That's
Okay,
flames.
guys.
Now, if you're gonna navigate through the maps,
How do I go down to 1? Just press gas?
tap the throttle. Even lighter. Don't even touch it. Just breathe on the pedal. That's 2. Tap it.
3, 4. Gotcha.
Right? Now, I typically drive around in 2.
I'd be in 2, yeah. 2's probably good.
Because 2 is really nice. It's
Really
like
nice.
a little bit, like you know something's done to it, you know the car's tuned, but it drives perfect, like drivability matters. You notice when you're in the flame or the big shot that, you remember like when you first brought me the car and at like 6,000 RPM, it's like, you have that because you have to touch those ignition maps.
Gotcha, okay.
The more you know.
The more you know, baby, the more you know. We gotta get gas. The only thing that I have a question on is in second and third gear when it gets to 6,000, start shaking.
Yeah. Give it more throttle or lift off.
Gotcha.
You're hitting a certain load condition there where it's like confused because it doesn't know if it wants to inject and you want to flame or you want to accelerate.
Gotcha.
So if you feel that, lift off.
Me no likey.
or
Me no
commit
likey
to
that.
it.
I was like, oh my God, what's happening? 45 miles an hour, third gear, 6,000 RPMs, and I lightly pressed the gas and I saw the flames come out the back. I was like, dude, this is nuts, dude. That's Godzilla right there, dude.
No, I'm serious. That's why you buy SVJ.
Up already. No, I'm just kidding. So basically, it goes in a warning mode if you hang the flame too long because it's just lighting way too much stuff on fire. So you turn it off and turn it back on and it should be good to go now. Looks good to me. A parking brake failure. I don't know what that means. Oh, dude, so I was hitting a bunch of flames. The clutch might have got too hot, we don't know, but the gearbox is having a malfunction, so it's gonna go back to the shop, and he's gonna make sure it's all good before I take it again. And this is just kind of the story of these cars. I just can never win, I feel like. It's just, I had to keep waiting and waiting and waiting. So, that's what it is. All right, so Spencer's a really cool guy. He's gonna read the codes right now. He's gonna tell me exactly what's wrong with my gearbox. I hope it's nothing too bad. Apparently hanging flames like 30 times in a row is not good for the car. I didn't read the owner's manual, so yeah, he's gonna get this reader right now and we're gonna see. Hopefully I'm not cooked. You think I'm cooked? I may be cooked. I don't know. It drove fine here, but definitely is mad at me. It's definitely mad at me. So what's the damage?
Nothing.
Have you read the codes yet?
Yeah.
How are the codes?
Cleared. Get in the car.
Okay.
We're going to go spin it down the street.
Okay.
I want you to kind of watch what I do.
Okay.
How to be mean to it.
Okay.
You can put your diesel tip deep in its sugar walls, right?
I'm like low key, like, dude, I'm scared right now, dude. I'm scared, dude.
Don't constantly just hold it on the flame. When you feel that it's not happy, right? Lift out of it, downshift, do a pull.
It felt happy to me. I didn't feel any difference. I didn't even know I was shooting flames. I was like, I think I'm shooting flames.
You were.
Yeah, I
the
saw
time.
that eventually.
All the time.
Even when you weren't trying to shoot flames, you still shot flames.
That's what I'm saying. When you're not trying, it'll burp, it'll do stuff, it'll spit, right? Have fun driving the car. Don't prioritize making the flames.
No, I definitely prioritize the flame. I want to be a stage 4 flamer. Not good. Not looking good.
Yeah, it's looking good.
It's looking good. Okay, it's looking good. Oh, can I hold the iPad? Can I edit the codes while we go?
Absolutely.
Heck yeah, dude. I'm gonna make a spaghetti. I am low-key scared right now.
Why are you scared?
Well, you're about to take me on a. You're about to have me see God right now, dude. We're going to jail tonight. We are going to jail tonight. Oh, dude. Senor Sea Lion, I need you to calm down right now. Do you know these streets really well? Okay. Ah, dude. Oh, do you know these streets? Do you know what you're doing? Do you know these streets? Have you driven this street before? Dude, stop with me. Stop. Okay, we're up. Help me! I saw Jesus.
If you've got a light load in the pedal,
Yeah.
just breathe off it. Don't like come abruptly.
Oh, I let all the way off and then shift.
If you're wide open throttle, yes.
Okay.
If you're just like part throttle, you don't need to come all the way off and all the way back on.
Gotcha.
Best thing I've experienced all week. All week of me f***ing myself on this car, that was worth it.
I was like, Spencer, stop! That was crazy. I can't believe I did not blow my car up. We have the GT3 RS. We have the SVJ. First map switch ever. You can have it all the way on. I don't know why everyone in SVJ is just like driving tunnels. There's more road than tunnels. In tunnels, we know, turn the flame on. We're driving around town, we're gonna have the flame off and drive as normally as you can with this car, but it's a complete animal now. It drives like a bat out of hell. Literally what I learned tonight is that you're shooting flames pretty much no matter what. So I gotta take it easy on this thing because it is exploding, it's burbling, it's popping. And dude, what an up and down battle for the last 4 months. Getting in the car, the starter dying, the ECU dying, buying new stuff for all of it, the harnesses dying, the O2 sensor dying. Literally 4 months to get to this night, and it is so worth it. I can't wait to be on the 5 freeway at 6 p.m. with everyone in their Teslas and Camrys, and I'm shooting flames at them, and they're like, who the hell is this guy? And they look at the side of my car, and they're like, damn! That's Chris Wheeler. What's up? So the video's actually not over, even though we went through the ending and everything last night. We drove the Aventador for the first time. It was so sick. But tomorrow there's gonna be awesome weather for a morning shoot. I'm gonna get up at 5 a.m. and we're gonna go shoot the SVJ on PCH on the beach and give you guys awesome visuals to close out this video. So next up, we're going to the beach. Let's do this.